In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Simply Sing app to sing. Now, this is a beginner's step-by-step guide. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So if you just download the Simply Sing app and want to start singing your favorite songs, I'm going to quickly show you how to do this. So first things first, we need to go ahead and download the app from your Play or App Store. Here it is here. So on Google Play, it's got over 5 million downloads and close to 250,000 reviews. Not bad for a singing app. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and open up Simply Sing. Okay, from here, we need to go ahead and click on Get Started and choose where you found. So how did you hear about Simply Sing? I'm just going to say YouTube ad and click Continue. Now, how confident do you feel about your singing? So choose which one is relevant. I'm not confident at all. I'm not a good singer. Have you tried to get better at singing? Not at all. Do you sing with other people? So choose which one. How often do you sing? What kind of musics do you sing to? So choose up to 3 genres. So choose 3. Now the next few questions will help us tailor the experience for your unique voice. So click continue again. Now which best describes your voice? So female or male. Now how old are you? So choose your correct age. Now, to make sure to save your progress, we can create a free account with up to 5 free profiles in that account. So you can put in your email address, continue with Facebook or Google. I'm going to choose Google. Now, once you've done that, it'll be taken to this screen here. Now, we need to go ahead and click on Add Your Preferences. Then we need to find your vocal range and also adapt all songs to your range. So your steps from unlocking your personal singing experience. You've got to get through these 3 steps. Now, if it doesn't work while you're going through all this, make sure you've granted permission to use your microphone so I can hear and give feedback. So to do this, simply go back to the home screen, click and hold down Simply Sing, click in the eye, go to permissions and make sure microphone is allowed. So allow while using the app. And also you can do notifications if you like, but the main one is the microphone. Then we can head back into the app and go through all this. And now after finishing going through these steps, Simply Sing will show you accuracy score, pitch highlights, and parts to improve. You can also retry the songs or save your performance if the option is available, depending what region you are. Now I've got some bonus tips for better results. So you want to use earphones with a mic, so prevents feedback and improves accuracy. Sing in a quiet room. This helps the app hear your voice clearly. And start with easy songs. So you want to build confidence before trying those harder or high pitched notes.